Unscrew the colorimetric bottle cap. Take 10 ml of colorless clear water sample to be tested and place it in a colorimetric bottle. Close the upper cover tightly. Clean the bottle body with a mirror cloth. Click on Water Quality Detection. Select pH. Enter sample name. Place the colorimetric bottle into the instrument. Click OK. After testing, remove the colorimetric bottle. Add 2 drops of pH testing solution dropwise. Close the upper cover tightly. Shake and mix well. Let stand for 1 minute. Clean the bottle body with a mirror cloth after standing still. Place the colorimetric bottle into the instrument. Click OK. Read detection results.